Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a bow headband. Let's get started. You will need medium weight yarn, 4mm crochet hook, elastic, darning needle, scissors. First, we need to make a slip knot. Then we make a chain of 6. Then we make a single crochet to the second chain from our hook. Again, make a single crochet to the next chain. Repeat this until the end of the row. To start the second row, chain 1, turn your work. Make a single crochet to the second stitch. Make a single crochet to the next stitch. Repeat this until the end of the row. To start row 3, chain 1, turn your work. Make single crochet to the second stitch. Repeat this until the end of the row. Now we will start to make a bow. Turn your work. Make a double crochet to the third stitch. Make another double crochet to the third stitch. Make a chain of 3. Make a slip stitch to the loop. Make a slip stitch to the next stitch. Another slip stitch. Turn your work. Make a double crochet to the loop. Make another double crochet. Make a chain of 3. Make a slip stitch to the loop. Our first bow is finished. Next, we will make a small puff by making the chain of 2, yarn over, insert the hook to the loop, yarn over, come out, yarn over, insert the hook to the loop, yarn over, come out, yarn over, insert the hook to the loop, yarn over, come out, yarn over, and pull through all loops. Chain 1 to circle. To make the second bow, we will chain 3. Make a double crochet to the loop. Make another double crochet. Make a chain of 3. Make a slip stitch to the loop and rotate it this way. Make a slip stitch, make a chain of 3, a double crochet, a double crochet, a chain of 3, a slip stitch to the loop. Then we will make the second puff to the loop. Repeat the pattern with one bow and one small puff. as long as wishes. Here I made a total of 22 rows. Then I will make 2 slip stitches. And begin to make another 3 single crochet rows. Then I will put the elastic and make single crochet around the elastic and the 2 tails of the headband. Then you will need to weave in the ends. I have finished the bow headband. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.